Hello humans, welcome back to Week Shave. Let's do it. Awesome razor this time, vintage. One that I've been looking for quite some time, but they are really expensive. But I managed to find one at a good price. It's a FAYNETT Lather catcher in frighteningly good condition. I mean, this looks like it's never been used, and these were made between 1895 and 910, so well over 100 years, over 110. And it has a little bit of plating, but that came only after I rinsed or I cleaned it in my ultrasonic cleaner. So that means that the spots where it's a little bit plated were about to come off anyway. So, but other than that, it looks brand new. So amazing find. Really looking forward to trying this. And today I'm going to be using the A87 cream, the one I forgot along with the Dafferdan. And it has a brand new gem blade with the adapter, because this is a wedge blade razor. And no, I will not be putting a wedge blade in this one. So, let's get this opened. Drop it in. This is a thick cream, so this will probably take a little bit more water and work than normally. Maybe not, maybe it's just in the beginning. It's lathering up fine. There we go. Tons and tons. I was actually afraid that I wouldn't have enough, but I have plenty. So I'm gonna try going the whole pass without rinsing and see if it lives up to its name. Starting to catch. A little bit tricky under the nose. Because of its huge head. mild razor, but as you can see, it does live up to its name. Catches all the lather. So, very fitting name. Of course, good audio feedback because of the hollow handle. But it's a little bit weird finding the angle. Probably because of the enormous head. Scraping, but that's probably because of the angle. But it is a mild one. And usually with these old wedge blade razors, they are quite aggressive. They were the some of the first steps from straight razors, so they probably made them aggressive because people were used to that. Can you hear that? Hollow handle and hollow head. But a mild razor. Oh. Wow. Oy, it was tuggy under the nose. Wow. So lots and lots of stubble left. Of course the blade could be faulty. but you can hear there's still so much left. This is I'm gonna have to twerk this one and find out. Oh my God. Shit. No, the blade was popped out. Oh my God. Now it's so smooth. Well, that's what you get for not paying attention. You have to pay attention to all aspects of the shave. Because if you don't, something like this will happen. Oh man, I can't believe I missed that one. Well, that one was definitely on me. The blade on one side is set right down here, so the blade was like this. My God. But I'm not gonna push it anymore. But that last half pass after I adjusted the blade was really nice, really smooth. Stupid, stupid, stupid. But it all makes sense now. Why it was so tuggy and scrapey, that was because the blade was completely out of its socket. So let that be a lesson to you, my friends. Pay attention, not only what's going on your face, but what's going on with the razor and the blade, all of it. And even though the blade was completely out, I didn't cut myself, so I do have razor burn, but one can hardly wonder why. So, well, that was my lesson of the day. No sleeping while shaving. That is today's lessons, my friends. So I'm going to be putting some aloe vera gel on, cool and soothing. So that's that. The FAYNETT Lather Catcher really does catch the lather, but man, it popped out. Have to pay close attention to this on the next shaves with this one. So yeah, thank you for watching this weekly shave. This lather catcher is really nice, even though it only performed as it should on the last half pass on the pickups. But even then I could tell that this is a very smooth razor. So god damn, that's annoying me. Okay, well, can't go back, only forward, so I'll pay attention next time. Thank you for watching this week's weekly shave. I will be back again next week with another shave, and until then, you know what to do.